Everyone, today's session. Today we will learn that 10th Science and Technology Part 2. From this subject, we will learn the lesson number 3, Life Processes in Living Organism. In this lesson, today we will learn the which part is reduced from the portion. This whole part is reduced from the portion. Development and birth, this part also reduced from the portion. Always remember, can you tell this part is also reduced from the portion. Next, menstrual cycle is also reduced from the portion. Now, today we will learn that reproduction and modern technology. Do you know that many couples cannot have children due to various reasons? In case of women, which problems occurs? Irregularity in menstrual cycle, difficulties in oocyte production, obstacles in the oviduct, difficulties in the implantation in uterus, and many other reasons are responsible for this. And also there are some reasons occurs in men also. These are absence of sperm in the semen, slow movement of sperm. Anomalies in the sperm are the reason in case of males. But now, with the help of advanced medical techniques like IVF, surrogacy, sperm bank, the childless couple can have a child. Therefore, what is in vitro fertilization means IVF technique. This is the diagram of IVF technique. Fertilization occurs in the test tube. In this case, the fertilization is brought about in the test tube and the embryo formed in the implantation in uterus of the woman at appropriate time. IVF technique is used for having the child in case of those childless couple who have problem like less sperm count, obstacles in oviduct, etc. What is the next technique? That is surrogacy. Some women have problem in implantation of embryo in uterus. Such women can take the help of modern remedial techniques called as surrogacy. In this technique, oocyte is collected from the ovary of the woman having problem in the implantation of uterus. That oocyte is fertilized in test tube with the help of sperm collected from her husband. Embryo formed from such a fertilization is implanted in the uterus of some other woman having normal uterus. Such a woman in those uterus the embryo is implanted is called surrogate mother. Next technique, that is sperm bank. There are various problems in the sperm production as mentioned above. In the case of many men, so as to have children in case of such couples, new concept of sperm bank has been introduced. This concept is similar to the blood bank. Semen ejaculated by the desired man is collected after their through the physical and medical checkup and stored in the sperm bank. As per the wish of needful couple, oocyte of woman is of the concerned couple is fertilized by IVF technique using semen from sperm bank. Resultant embryo is implanted in the uterus of same woman. Name of the semen donor is strictly kept secret as per law. The next technique, that is twins. Two embryos develop simultaneously in the same uterus and thus two offsprings are delivered simultaneously. These are the two child. Such offsprings are called as twins. Okay. Many couples have twins. There are two main types of twins. That is important. Monozygotic twins and dizygotic twins. What is monozygotic twins? Monozygotic twins are formed from single embryo during early period of embryonic development. After 8 days, zygote cell of the embryo divided into two groups. These two groups develops as two separate embryos, and thus monozygotic twins are formed. Such twins are genetically exactly similar to each other. And both are boys or girls. In case of monozygotic twins, if the embryonic cells are divided into two groups 8 days after the zygote formation, there is a high possibility of formation of co-joint twins. Such twins are born with some parts of body joined to each other, and some organs are common in such twins. Occasionally, two oocytes are released from ovary of women, and both oocytes are fertilized by two separate sperm, and thus two zygotes are formed. Two embryos are formed by those two zygotes, and both those of embryo are separately. These are the dizygotic twins. And thus dizygotic twins are delivered after complete development. Such twins are genetically different, may be same of different by gender. Next, that is the reproduction health. A person's state of being physical, mental and social strongness is called health. Actually, person's state of being physical, mental and social strongness is called health. In our country, there seems to be lack of awareness regarding reproductive health due to various reasons like social customs, traditions, illiteracy, shyness, etc. Especially there seems to be indifference towards the reproductive health of women. Occurrence of menstrual cycle is related with the reproductive and overall health of women. Nowadays, women are working as equal with the men. Due to this, they have to stay outdoor for whole day. Bleeding occurs during menstrual cycle. Due to this, private organs need to be mentioned clean time to time. Otherwise, problem regarding to reproductive health may be arises. Among the various sexual diseases, syphilis, gonorrhea occurs on a large scale.